Question 11. If m ratio n is equal to this and n ratio q is equal to this, find q ratio m. Solution. This is the first part. First, convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. Secondly, let's clear the fractions by simply cross multiplying, and you have m ratio n to be equal to 35 ratio 18, equation 1. From the second part, convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions, cross multiply to clear fractions. You have this as equation 2. In order to find q ratio m, we simply make the values of n in both equations to be the same. So n, 18, 9. To achieve that, multiply through equation 2 by 2. If you do that, you have this equation as equation 3. Next, you compare equation 1 and equation 3. The values of n are the same. So if you take m here, m is equal to 35, then q is equal to 16. Therefore, q ratio m becomes 16 ratio 35. The correct option is A. Question 12. 1/3 the sum of two numbers is 12. Twice their difference is 12. Find the numbers. Solution. Let the numbers be s and y. So the sum is s plus y. Then 1/3. The sum, that is 1/3 times the sum, is equal to 12. That is what you have here. First statement, multiply through by 3 to clear fraction. You have this as equation 1. From the second statement, you find the difference of s and y, multiply it by 2, it is equal to 12. Divide through by 2, so you have s minus y equal to 6, equation 2. Solve both equations simultaneously using elimination method. You have equations 1 and 2. I wish to eliminate variable y. To achieve that, I have to add both equations because the sign for y and y again in the two equations are the same. So you add. When you add, you have 2s equal to 42. Divide both sides by 2 to get s, and s is equal to 21. To get y, you need to replace s with 21 in any of the equations. I'm using equation 1. This is equation 1. You replace s with 21. You collect like terms and you have 15. Therefore, the numbers are 21 and 15. The correct option is A. Question 13. Find the quadratic equation whose roots are 2/3 and minus 3/4. Solution. The required equation is y squared minus sum of roots times y plus product of roots equal to 0. Let's get sum of roots. You add the two roots, simplify, you have minus 1 over 12. Product of roots, you multiply the two roots, simplify, you have minus 6 over 12. You come here and replace the sum of roots and the product of roots, you have this result. If you open the two brackets with the minus and plus signs, you have this result. Multiply through by 12 to clear fractions, you have 12y squared plus y minus 6 equal to 0. The correct option is C. Question 14. Make S the subject of the relation y equal to AS cube minus B over 3Z. Solution. This is the given relation. First, clear the fraction by using 3Z to multiply through. You have this result. We are interested in S, so transfer this term to the left. You have this result. To get S cube first, divide both sides by A, and to get S, take the cube root of both sides. The correct option is B. Question 15. The price of a shoe was decreased by 22%. If the new price was $27.30, what was the original price? Question mark. Solution. Let the price of the shoe be S. Let's compute 22% of S. That is 22 over 100 times S equal to 11S over 50. We have to get the decrease amount. That amount is simply subtracting this value from the price of the shoe. You have it in this form. When you simplify, you have this result and 39S over 50. The new price is $27.30. To find S, you have to equate the decrease amount to the new price. You have it in this form. Multiply through by 50 to clear fraction and divide both sides by 39 to get S, and you have $35 as the price of the shoe, the original price. The correct option is D. Question 16. The radius and height of a solid cylinder are 8 cm and 14 cm respectively. Find correct to two decimal places the total surface area. Solution. Radius is equal to 8 cm, height is equal to 14 cm. Total surface area of cylinder is given by this formula. You can factor out 2 pi arrow and you have it in this form. You replace the parameters with what they stand for. You have this result. When you simplify, you have this result follows by this. After division, you have 1106 0.29 square centimeters to 2 decimal places. The correct option is C. Question 17. In the diagram, O is the center of the circle NST. NT is equal to ST and angle NTS equal to 36 degrees. Find the measure of the angle marked T, that is this angle. To get T, we need this angle, and add the three angles on the straight line. Triangle NST is isosceles triangle because NT is equal to ST, and as such the base angles are equal. So angle TNS equal to angle TSN equal to S, base angles. So in triangle NTS, if you add the three angles, the sum is equal to 180 degrees. You have 2S equal to 180 degrees minus 36 degrees. You transfer this to the right and you have 144 degrees. Divide both sides by 2 to get S. S is equal to 72 degrees. So this angle is known. Angle TSV is equal to angle TNS equal to 72 degrees. Alternate segment. This angle and this angle, they are equal. Angle TSV is formed between a tangent and a chord, and as such it is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. So you add the three angles on line arrow SV. The sum is equal to 180 degrees. So you have T plus the second angle, 72 degrees. The third angle, also 72 degrees, equal to 180 degrees. You have this result. You have T to be equal to 180 degrees minus 144 degrees equal to 36 degrees. The correct option is A. Question 18. A sphere has radius 3 cm. Find in terms of pi its volume. Solution. Volume of sphere is given by this formula. You replace the radius with 3, leaving pi, because your answer should be expressed in terms of pi. So you replace the radius with 3 to the power of 3. You have it in this form. 27 divided by 3 is 9 times 4. You have 36 pi cube centimeters. The correct option is C. Question 19. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order of magnitude: 1, 1, 0 base 2, 3, 1 base 8, 4, 2 base 5. Solution. Convert each number to base 10 respectively. For the first number, you multiply each digit by the base number plus the next one, and so on. After that, you assign powers to the base number, starting with 0 from right to left. So base 2 takes power 0, the next one power 1, the next one power 2. When you simplify, you have this result, that is 6 base 10. If you convert the second number to base 10, you have this result, and the third number to base 10, you have this result. In ascending order, you have 6 base 10 for 1, 1, 0 base 2. You have 2, 2 base 10 for 4, 2 base 5. Then you have 25 base 10 for 3, 1 base 8. The correct option is B. Question 20. A notebook of length 15 cm was measured by a student as 16.8 cm. Calculate correct to 2 decimal places the percentage error in the measurement. From here, the exact value is 15, the wrong value is 16.8, or in centimeters. Percentage error is equal to error over exact times 100%. The error is the wrong value minus the exact value over exact times 100%. You have this result. When you simplify, you have 12.00%. The correct option is A.